Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and today I'm going to be making grape juice. So stick around and I'll get started right after the intro. So what you're going to need to make grape juice is some Concord grapes, really. So I went to my local farm and I picked up some Concord grapes. I'm from Ontario, and so what I like to do is when harvest season comes in, I try to can, dry, preserve however I can so I can have an extended life of the vegetables or fruit that I purchase. So with that said, I can't get Concord grapes in the middle of winter. So the only way you can really preserve them, I mean, there are a few different ways. You can freeze them. You can make jelly from them. You can make grape juice from them. And you can also make wine from them. Now today I'm not making the wine, but I am going to make some grape juice. So there's two different ways of doing this. You can either, after you've washed and destemmed them, you can put them in a pot and add a little bit of water and you can cook them down so that you get all the juices. And then put them through a strainer and juice it that way. That's a real concentrated type of a juice that you're going to get. Another way of doing this is you take, again, you wash them and destem them, and you put the grapes in a large jar, usually about a half-gallon jar. Here in Canada, I think it's a 1.9 liter jar. It's the really, really big ones. So, and then you add some spring water and some sugar, and you can can them that way. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to can them the second way. So once you have them in your jars, you can put them into a water bath, and then you can boil them for 15-20 minutes and take them out. Let them sit on the counter for 24 to 48 hours, and you have yourself some grape juice for the winter. So let's get started. So here I have my grapes. They're in a water, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to take them off the stem and put them in another bowl so that we can preserve them. Now these grapes have a seed in them, and if you're going to do anything other than preserving them as a grape juice with the grapes in it, you're going to want to filter out the seeds and the skin if you're going to make, say, grape jelly, because it's not they're not meant for that. But because I'm making see, these ones I don't really want because they're kind of mushy. So I'm adding 2 cups of grapes to each jar. Add half a cup of cane sugar to each jar. So now you're going to add enough spring water to top up the entire jar. So don't forget to wipe your rim on the jars before you put your lids on, and then get them ready for a water bath.
So now you're going to place your jars into a water bath, and you're going to let them boil for about 20 minutes. And then you're going to remove them and set them aside for 24 to 48 hours.
So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to see some of my other videos, you can do that by checking them out right there. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and have a fantastic day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.